Hey guys, welcome back to volume 2. I'm just going to give you a quick summary. We're going to be building the Port Moody Sawmill. This involves multiple projects like structures, animation, lighting, track work. Additionally, we're going to be converting some sawmill cars or wood chip cars in the future. So we're going to take some afterns and then convert them as you see here. These are a couple in progress. We got all the track here ready. Wood we're going to be using, we're going to just be using spruce 2x2s for the legs, and all the main bench work is going to be select pine. I'll quickly show you a benchwork book here. This is by Comback Publishing, and it goes over a variety of techniques for bench work. So it goes from very basic to more intricate stuff. You know, typical L-girder, helixes. So I highly suggest, amongst other books, getting yourself a Comback. This was the original 3D version of the benchwork I was going to do, as I'm aiming to transport this around. It is going to be attached to the future module or the main layout. So we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be going and doing L-girder, the front view there and the top view. So let me set up my table and get a few things ready here, and we'll get at it right away. I want to get everything cut up first. That way, once we start doing our construction, we don't have to stop, cut, clean. Everything's already cut, ready to go. I got two 8-foot sections here, and we're just going to cut them in half. I'm going to do my layout at 48 inches because I prefer standing when I'm operating. I like sitting too, but when you're operating, you got to pay attention, and it's nice to walk around. As I mentioned, I'm kind of forced to, well, what I had to do is go get a saw. Hey folks, that's all I can say. The center support lift be most effective. I come in with a 5/16 bit. Next, you want to put the nut out in the center. And I only have our L-girders here. I'm going to lay a bead of glue. I'm going to use my mini clamps because I don't have any other clamps. Alright guys, so we have our L-girders complete. There's 4 total. As you can see, 2 of them are longer. 2 of them, the 2 longer ones go at the back of the layout. And the 2 short ones are the ones we're going to be using first. You can see I marked down 18 inches and 48 inches because that's where we're going to be putting our first top L-girder pieces. So just to give you an idea of where we're at, these are the 2 shorter pieces we just made, and these are the 2 longer pieces. Alright, next I have the legs set up, 6 inches above the feet. That's where the base of the leg is. Next, this part of the L-girder is not going to be glued on either because these legs are going to be removable. Pre-drilled hole in the middle. Right there. Okay, so right now they're on pivot points. That's why there's also only one screw in them. I'm taking my 4-foot width girder panels to the legs. Alright guys, so here's our layout, temporarily clamped together. And what that's going to do is show where these are going to sit on the end of our L-girders. The center of those two is marked on both sides and they're pulled from the same end. And same thing. So we're looking at it. You can see my shadow there. We're standing here. And that's it. Pre-drill underneath. So see how I'm going to drill right here? Mm-hmm. Oops, wrong one. So film me doing it. Ready?
What?
These are for the legs, so they're removable.
Oh, what is this?
Well, this is our train set.
Cool.
Okay, ready? Now I'm going to put this in here.
How do we put this in action?
It's in action, it's filming.
Yeah.
Now we're going to get these two.
It's so cool.
All you got to do is touch the screen.
I did. Because I'm doing exactly what you did.
Here, do you want to pull this for me? Here. Do you see how I was moving it like that? Pull it towards you. You want to try?
No.
Okay. There we go. Anyway, we're at 6 feet here. The rear here is just balanced on. So those are gonna sit in there like that. So watch me install all this right now. My framing square in there, and we're going to do the other side and then work our way in. Alright, so here we are with all the bench work complete. Well, actually 99% complete. We're going to install this last piece here. But as you can see, the general layout that we designed is there. This is cantilevered off the back, and that's how these L-girders are notched in there, as I showed you guys. So this front portion here is going to have fascia, and this back portion here is going to be attached to the future extension of the layout. On the floor I put some tape marks. And this piece here is just helping hold this extension out until it gets attached. But those tape marks allow me to know that when I have it back there, everything is perfectly level. So I might adjust the layout and turn it for filming, but I know every time I put it back right here, it's perfectly level. So a couple things that turned out that I wasn't happy with are right here. I snapped one. So that was right there. So what I did is, I guess, towed it in from the end. So it's still all there. I'm just not happy how that chipped out. Where else did that happen? I think it happened there too. And then it happened there. We're going to be using foam. A few reasons. Foam is much lighter than wood, and this is intended to be moved around, reinstalled. So foam will make it lighter. Foam also has better R value in sound and insulation. Tape measure there, went to 36, pressed down with my finger at 36, and it leaves a groove. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you found something useful in the video, hit the like button. It'll really help out. More volumes are coming, so make sure you subscribe and get notifications for updates when new videos come out. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.